Guys, I will show you something. So yes, this cat, this is the perks of being raised and being living here in public market. Yeah, so when you're a cat or when you're a dog, so I must recommend for you to stay here, live here in this kind of place. So this is what we call wet market or public market. Yeah, you see that? So that morning, this cat is making mukbang. Yeah. So she love eating these intestines or internal organs of the fish. Yeah, you see that? Hello, Ming. How are you? So, how are you fine today? Hello, Ming. So how are you? Have you done eating already? Have you done your mukbang session? See that? So even if they don't have a owners, so at least there's plenty of foods here. Yeah, see that? Fish is everywhere. Unlimited. Eat all they can. Eat all they can as long as they want. See that? Oh, Ming? Come. You come here, you eat. See that? See? That's the perks of being stray or being raised here in Palengke or in the public market or even wet market. See that? So there's a lot of foods here. So that's the waste of a fish. So internal organs. Hello. Hello. How are you? So I know you're full already. See that, guys? So if I will become a animal for the next life, so I prefer to choose to become a cat and I will live here in this place because there's a lot of foods. You see that? Oh, okay, another creature. So she is going to make a mukbang. Oh, see that? Look at that. So they're all free. So the foods here is all free. See that? Oh. Yeah. So this one is being solved. She's solved already. Ming! What's that, Ming? What's that with you? What's that one? Is that your brother, sister? Is that your daughter? Huh? You're accompanying her? You're taking care of her? Oh, sweet. So, see that, guys? Even they don't have owners, they don't have house, they don't have families, they don't have far parents, at least they're full. Their tummy is happy because there's a lot of food here. See that? Oh, you see that? Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, the food here is unlimited. So anytime they want to eat, they can eat because the food is available. See? That's their favorite fish. So I just feel glad that the people here is just letting the cats and the dogs there. See that? They're just letting the animals to eat their waste parts of the fish that they sell here in the public market. So they're chilling now, they're just relaxing because they're done already. They're full. They're done eating. You see that? They're healthy. This one. Hello, Ming. How are you?